Hey guys, welcome to the ICD-10-PCS Coding Series. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and follow the playlist from the beginning so that you understand every concept thoroughly. This is part 18 of the Inpatient Coding Series, and today we will learn about the substance abuse treatment section of the ICD-10-PCS. I'm Vinay Kumar. I carry an overall experience of 2 decades in the US healthcare industry with vast experience in coding, auditing, training, and mentoring. I have helped many professionals in gaining knowledge and preparing for medical coding certifications. I am dual certified from both AHIMA and AAPC with extensive knowledge in all the verticals of the revenue cycle management. At the end of this learning session, we will have a better understanding of coding from the substance abuse treatment section of the ICD-10 PCS. These are the 7 characters in the substance abuse treatment section. The first character is the section itself. The second character is used to identify the body system elsewhere in the ICD-10 PCS. And the second character is always none. The third character specifies the type of the procedure. The fourth character further specifies the procedure type, and these qualifier values vary depending on the root type procedure. And for the fifth, sixth, and seventh characters, they are actually designated as qualifiers but are never specified. So you'll find the value as none always for the fifth, sixth, and seventh characters. Now, the substance abuse treatment section is structured like a smaller version of the mental health section. It looks similar. The treatment options for addiction depend on several factors, like including the type of addictive disorder, the length and severity of the use, and its effects on the individual patient. Several treatment options are available, and common interventions might involve a combination of inpatient and outpatient programs, or psychological counseling, or self-help groups, and medication management. These are the 17 sections in the PCS, and today we are talking about the substance abuse treatment section. Now, this section represents procedures such as detoxification services, individual and group counseling services, individual psychotherapies, family counseling or medication management, and pharmacotherapies. Substance abuse treatment codes have a first character value of H. The second character is used to identify the body system, usually elsewhere in the ICD-10 PCS. So you will find that the body system value is always none. The third character specifies the type of the procedure. There are 7 values classified in this section. The fourth character further specifies the procedure type. The qualifier values vary depending on the root type procedure from character 3. So it's all dependent on character 3 for this section. The fifth through seventh characters are designated as qualifiers but are always none as the value for this particular section. Now, talking about the third character. So the third character specifies the type of procedure, and there are 7 values classified in this section. Value 2 is for detoxification services from alcohol and drugs. Value 3 and value 4 is for individual and group counseling for the application of psychological methods to treat one or more individuals with addictive behaviors. Then value 5 is individual psychotherapy for treatment of an individual with addictive behavior and using behavioral or cognitive or psychoanalytic or psychodynamic or physiological means for treatment. And value 6 is for family counseling, Value 8 is medication management, usually for monitoring and adjusting the use, the medications for treatment of the addiction. Value 9 is pharmacotherapy and is used for replacement medications like for treatment of the addiction. And fourth character, okay, so the character 3 type actually has these values, these 7 values: detoxification, individual counseling, group counseling, individual psychotherapy, and so on. Now, the fourth character is a qualifier that further classifies the root type. And as I said, the second character in this section, fifth, sixth, and seventh characters. These four characters usually do not convey any specific information about the procedure. So they are always, none or identified with the character value Z from this particular section. This is an example of coding pharmacotherapy treatment with antabuse for alcohol addiction. So the section value is H, substance abuse treatment. The body system is none. Root type is pharmacotherapy for the third character. The fourth character qualifies, or the qualifier is antabuse. Then the fifth, sixth, and seventh characters are always none. This is the corresponding table that identifies the procedure for pharmacotherapy treatment with antabuse. So H, Z, 9, 3, Z, Z, and Z. So overall, this is the code for the antabuse treatment. So the key points to remember: the third character is the most important and specifies the type of procedure, and there are 7 values for the third character. The fifth, sixth, and seventh characters, and also the second character, are always none from this particular section. As usual, you'll find the ICD-10 version, online version, the PDF in this particular link, and I have provided the link in the description of the video as well. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done that already, and follow the series from the playlist for the complete set of videos. In the next set of videos, we will talk about the medical and surgical section, the root operations, and the official guidelines for ICD-10-PCS. Thank you.